was me. Hi, bird.
What a big bird.
We're all sick of being in the house. Let's get out of here. How are you, Emma? You good? How you travelling, Claire? You okay? How you going, James?
Good.
What are you doing?
I'm just looking out the window. Yeah.
Good dancing, Emma.
Yeah, well, I want to fish over there.
We'll go there once it starts to warm up, Possum, and then hopefully we can catch a yellow belly again. Remember that big yellow belly Dad caught last year?
Hey James, you want to come get the fish for Dad? Put it in, scoop it up. Get the net down here, quick. He's wheeling it in now. Quick, James, no time for that. Come on about.
I think I got
Quick, go grab the net. Down here, James. Down here. Go. Get it for him. Daddy caught a fish. Ready, James? Come on. Sorry, I couldn't leave him in the back. Claire was going to fall out. Holy dooly. Another spear again. Can't travel. If you have any tips and tricks, like, let us know. It's both of them now. Oh, well, there goes all our trips. This is awful. Makes us feel bad leaving, hey Ben?
Yeah. Fooling. Rightio, so come up here to the pine forest. We're going to go through just for a walk through the pine plantation, essentially, just have a look around, see if there's any mushrooms in season. But before we do that, there's a couple of these dams here, so I'm just gonna put I'm just gonna drop a couple of yabby traps in. We'll see if we can catch any yabbies, so fingers crossed. Come back and check on them soon.
Look, there's a little tiny wallaby there.
Down there looks good.
Yep, just down here, girls.
Spring is summer. Cockatoos. These are wild cockatoos. Welcome to Hohnke.Outdoors. We found some cockatoos in the state forest. Can you see them? There are a lot of them. one back hole. It's probably my dad. I should just climb it.
Are you gonna climb it?
Yes. That was a wobbly one. Paul says I have weird ones. Mom, maybe I can climb on this tree.
Maybe.
And then slide down there.
Do you want to? You can try if you want to.
Yeah. But you lift me up.
Use the sticks.
Use was
Will they hold you?
not because I'm too heavy. Will be away from my eye.
You right? Go, James! Oh. Oh, maybe hop down. Smile. Here, hop back down. Here. I gotcha.
Yeah, you know why this one's cool? Because it's got mushrooms growing out of it.
What? James, look, it's got mushrooms growing in it.
That's why it looks cool. Come have a look. What's growing out of it, James?
Mushrooms.
Cool little orange mushrooms. I don't think you can eat those ones, so just forewarning. No, don't throw it. You can hang on to it if you want.
It's pretty cool. Do you want to do it? Okay.
What you doing, James?
I'm just going past this thing.
Looks like fun. Where are you off to, little forest creature? You can walk that way if you want.
Wait.
Ooh, wee. You're right. Stand up.
Can you see all the moss over here?
Oop. She goes. Ooh, moss. That's a good spot to look for mushrooms, Mum. Emma.
What? Mushrooms? Oh, which ones?
Jane's found mushrooms. What colour? Just got some little mushrooms growing out of a stick.
Cool.
Cool cicada. Let me see.
Wow, wow, noise in the morning.
James.
It's real.
So it's just started to sleet. Little
Hey, look.
Mum's here.
Look.
Oh, and it's all gone.
Can you get it out of my head?
What digs up the ground?
Those wild pigs.
That's right, wild pigs. Okay, you ready to go to the car, Emma? Car? Hey, James. What type of animal poo is this one?
This is wombat poo.
James, what type of poo is this?
That is...
It's either a fox or a cat. See the bits of bone in it?
Yeah, that's a fox.
Oh, look, it's late again.
Yep, here it is. Do you
Here
like-
it is, James.
Look, Claire,
Look,
sweet.
Claire, sweet.
Today, we found 2 mushrooms and we didn't find more because there were only 2 on a stick. But I was like, thought I could go in the car and I was like hurting myself because I'd been whinging and I was hungry.
Wedge-tailed eagle flying into the forest. Man, it's going full tilt through the forest. The birds chasing it.
Yeah. There's 2
Magpies
birds.
chasing it.
Heaps of all. That was the big one. See?
Yeah, boy, big boy. So is that little man? I caught an eel in the bottom dam one time. Rightio, so not sure how good this audio is going to be. It's pretty windy. We didn't find any edible mushrooms. We just found some random stuff growing on some pine branches and a couple of brackety type fungus type thing. It's freezing cold, it's sleet, rained, and so now I'm just here to check these traps. Fingers crossed we've got something. Yeah, so that was a good way to get frozen hands for nothing. Oh, hopefully in another month or so we can finally get into the yabbies again. Stay tuned.
Poor buggers, we just drove past two ladies who have popped a tyre and they can't get the jack under the car, so luckily I had Ben in the car with me to help them out.
Yeah, so we got that tyre change in those poor lady's car. It was just completely shredded around the outside of it. It wasn't just the whole, like the whole outside the tyre was just shredded off. They'd pulled over and had a bit of a picnic and gone for a walk through the pines and come out, and they'd only pulled off the road and gone 10 metres when it exploded. And they're only little, like they're probably only early 20s, probably 19, 18 tops.
Yeah.
And there was no way they would have got that breaker bar to loosen the nuts. So, and they'd only seen one car go past, which was some other young blokes. Looked like they're going chasing pigs with dogs, and they had a thought, like, I wonder how long they're going to be. And I said, you probably would have been waiting until nearly sunrise before they came back past. So, good thing we showed up when we did. Back up, reverse up. That's a real deer.
That's
Do you
a
see
real
it?
deer. Do you see it?
It's right on the edge of the road, James, and it's brown. Look. There. See it running? It ran.
Thanks for watching. Click a subscribe button right there and right under below. And also thanks for watching.